Hi all, in this session we are going to see about math objects. So in JavaScript, math object allows us to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Like if I want to find the square root of number, I can find that one using math methods, and also I can round the numbers. Basic mathematical tasks can be performed using this math object. And these math objects are static, which means they are fixed. Now, if I want to find the log of 2, we have one property inside math method for log 2. In the same way, I cannot find the value for log 3. We have only for log 2, so we will get the result for log 2. So the properties which we are having inside this math objects are static. We cannot change that one. And all the methods and properties can be used without creating a math object first. Previously, we have seen how to create array object. We just have to use new keyword. So when we are using this math object, we specifically don't have to create math object. Directly, we can use all the properties and methods. And these are the properties inside math object, and these are constants. We cannot change this one. And JavaScript provides 8 mathematical constants that can be accessed as math properties. And this will be the syntax math.property. And these are the properties. We have this pi, square root. These are called as property. And this is our math object. It will be returning the Euler's number. If you don't know about what is Euler's number, you really don't have to worry. If you are interested in this kind of topics, then you can do. But this is only for basic understanding. If you are making project and there if you need this Euler's number, then only you will be using. Or else you can just leave it. And this is going to give the pi value, and it will give square root of 2. It is not going to give square root of 3. If I remove 2 and if I give 3, it is not going to work because these properties are constant. Constant, as we all know, we cannot change the value. In the same way, these properties are also constant. I cannot change the value. And this is ln2. It will be giving the natural logarithm of 2. You really don't have to worry about these logs. But these are the 8 math properties which are available in JavaScript. Okay, practically let us see the example of this. I have opened my Visual Studio Code, and this will be a 60-second video in JavaScript series. Let me write here math object properties. I'm just going to paste all the properties and I'm just going to console that. I will be pasting that. Now you can see all I have pasted and I have just consoled. And when I just save this one, for each and everything, we are having the data. If you calculate this one, if you calculate Euler's number, this is the Euler's number. We will get the exact same number. This is the value of pi, 3.14. Mostly we use 3.14. But this is the complete value of pi. This is the square root of 2. Now suppose if I just give here 3, I will save this. I will get as undefined because the static properties cannot be changed. We can only find square root of 2. Now if I write here 6, I will save this. For all, I will be getting the result as undefined except 2. For 2, I will get the result as this one, okay, square root of 2. And this is going to return the square root of half. Now if I just write here 1 by 4, I will save this. Again, I will be getting undefined. As I told you, these properties are constant, and constant things we cannot change. Constant is already fixed. These are static. Static things we cannot change. And this ln2, it is going to return the natural logarithm of 2. Now these all things you don't have to worry, but you just have to remember there are 8 properties in math object which we can use and get this data. Next we are going to see math objects. Math objects are very important. If you want to make any games, if you want to get the number in integer, if you want only positive number, if you want only rounded value, everything, whatever which is related to number, we can use math methods and we can get the data. So math methods are very important. Next session, we are going to learn about math methods.